Okay. Okay. Yes, sorry for the delay. Wei Chen is coming. No, didn't work. Okay. Okay, I think it's working. Okay, sorry for the delay. I got a call from the university just in the moment when we had our break here, and I didn't see the time schedule. Normally, I can see that up. Never mind. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thanks very much. Yeah. So I didn't see the time counting. So sorry for that. Yeah. Yeah. So we go back to our presentation then. Yeah. So companies have also their duties. Yeah. So what is the meaning? So the content has to be continuously checked on social media channels. And the discussions have to be moderated to prevent an escalation. So it's something that happens here in the Western countries. Yeah, a bit quite often. Yeah. These are discussions sometimes very negative about people and about companies, and we call that shitstorm. Yeah, shitstorm means that it's an escalating situation where many people are writing something against pop stars, against actors, actresses, and whatever. Yeah, and yeah, music, films, what you, it's all is possible. Yeah, and yeah, it is necessary to stop something like that, to de-escalate this situation. Yeah. So if you have, if you are owner of a branding community, you normally have somebody, a moderator, who is looking at problems. Yeah, and normally in a community where you write something down, it's called a thread. Yeah, and if somebody is answering something, it's called a post. Yeah, so you have the thread and the post, and the moderator is looking for some threads, and yeah, which could be difficult in discussion, and he's able to stop this discussion. Yeah, he can make a break. He can stop the uploading of information. Yeah, and yes, could be good, could be negative. Yeah, if he's doing something like that, because the difficulty is that the people who are answering, they want to be heard. Yeah, they want to be heard by the company. So if they have something to criticize, and you cut the conversation, or you delete the mail or the post in this case, it gives your company a negative touch. Yeah. Something like, yeah, this company is not able to be criticized, or this company cannot cannot handle the services, whatever. Yeah, and so this is more negative, and the problem here is that this can be many people. And if these people hear negative information about your company, it could be that they will not buy anymore at you. Yeah, so your turnover is going down in the worst case. Yeah, and so this is why a moderation is important. Yeah, you need to handle that. Yeah, we will when I hope we can start with the other course next week. Yeah, so this is then social media. Then you will learn about that, how that works, how you react on information like that. Yeah, there are also some rules. But for a company, it could be yeah, unhappy situation. Yeah, because it can be true. Yeah, so if there's a critics about your company, it can be true. Yeah, and so sometimes yeah, the company has to make a change, yeah, in the organization, and to improve the services or improve their products. Yeah, so they have to take care. Yeah, the positive part of that is that if you get feedbacks like that, you learn that, yeah, you're not good enough. Yeah, and you have to improve. Yeah, and if you want to sell quality, okay, then you can improve your products, and this is how it must be seen in a situation like this. If this critics is real, you can learn. You can learn about this critics, and then you can improve your products. Yeah, and you will become better. Yeah, and possibly you will then reach a better reputation, because you react. The people, the customers, they get the feeling, oh, okay, the company has understood the problem, and there's a reaction on that. Yeah. So liability for disturbance. The company could run into a joint liability for an insult written by somebody else and be traced by criminal or by civil law. Yeah, so it could be that there is a situation that yeah, that is criminal. Yeah, then it's good to have a moderator who is stopping a situation like this. Yeah. So it could be that whatever, how do you say that? Don't know the word. Yeah, so if there's an insult, yeah, this insult can be against the rules. Yeah. you can't insult somebody, yeah. But if somebody is doing that, you can go to the police or to the courts and can say, okay, he has to stop that. Yeah, he's writing something wrong about me. That's not correct, and possibly this person has to pay for this insult. Yeah, if you have, if you can show that there's a decrease in your reputation, yeah, then this person has to pay for that what he's done. Yeah, so you see, free speech sometimes can be difficult. Yeah, it's not so easy. The competition law. Yeah, so what we have sometimes here, it's made by some suppliers of products. They are buying their followers and they are buying their fans. And this is something that is against the competition law in Germany. Because it's a lie. Yeah, it's a lie. When you speak positive about a company, but there's nothing. Yeah, and you want to bring this company into a good situation or in a good in a good publicity that is not legal. Normally, what you can see when you use AliExpress, for example, yeah, there you have a possibility to write down your experiences with this company. Yeah, you can say it's good, it's bad. You can give some stars. More stars is better. Less stars is negative. Yeah, and yeah, then you can say, okay, the quality is good, the quality is bad, or when I got it, it was broken directly, whatever. Yeah, and so some companies, what they do, they buy their reputation. Yeah, they go. We have some companies here in Germany, yeah, who do that, and what they do, this company is going to a supplier of good critics, yeah, and so this company has some students, for example, and what they do, they write good critics concerning this product. Yeah, we have Amazon here worldwide, and there you can see the stars that have been given for a product. You can see critics that has been added to these stars. If you give 5 stars, I was very happy, and good product, and was simple to use. Yeah, it's simple to use. It's working fine. Yeah, so something positive. Or the negative thing is, so I used it 2 times and then it broke, and and then I sent it back to the company, and so this company told me that that's me who is responsible for this. For this problem, yeah, and whatever, yeah, and then you can write it down, and you can react on the product and on the quality that has been given to you. Yeah. Yeah, and here sometimes there are companies which buy critics, positive critics. Yeah, and yeah, so there are people and they write something that is good for this company. Yeah. So if a company buys his Facebook fans, there will be a legal problem because it's against competition law. The lawyers judge the number of fans as a kind of positive user meaning, which may not be bought concerning the competition law. Therefore, the buy of fans is illegal due to the competition law. Yeah. So if somebody is found who did that, then he has to pay for that. Yeah. So, and normally it will be published then in newspapers, and so normally it has more negative consequences than positive if you do something like that. Yeah. So you have to take care on that. I know that some companies are doing that, and yeah, also Chinese companies. You can see then that is written in a very bad German, you know, or in a bad English, and then you know, this is a product from China. It's a positive critics, and it's coming from China. That's not very convincing. Yeah. Yeah, in Germany we also have that. Yeah. Example, yeah. So let's say we have a cheated 5 stars rating. Yeah. And this 5-star rating is a positive indicator for good quality. Yeah. Will there be a manipulation in writing positive ratings? This will violate the regulations of the portals, and it's moreover legally prohibited. Yeah. And so it's here, please compare, it's Landesgericht Duisburg, so that's the court of Duisburg, yeah, in a city. And this result has been made in 2012. Yeah. And yeah, so there are many people who do that. Yeah. You find it at AliExpress, you find it at Amazon, you find it in other shops, whatever. Yeah, it's normal. Yeah. So what we have here is well, let's speak about viral marketing. So we have finished the law, yeah, the law theme, and we go now to viral marketing in digital media. And sometimes you get an email or an information on your account. Share this blog article if you think that breathing is absolutely super. It can be senseless like this here, yeah. But the intention is to share that. And if you share that, your account is then identified as a used one. And so what can be done, if it's an email, it could be that you will get advertising information, many things, and so we normally speak about junk mails, yeah, junk mails, and but this here is not only possible in a mail; it can also be something that is used in social media, yeah, and the only thing is to come into contact with you, yeah, and possibly to influence you after that. Yeah, so when we speak about viral marketing, so this is a form of marketing that uses social networks and media to gain attention with an unusual message of a brand, product, or campaign. Sometimes it's also said virus marketing because it's influencing, yeah. It's manipulating, and so it's also called virus marketing. So what are the characteristics of viral marketing? So viral marketing uses different methods to publish messages. There are there are different examples for that. I'm sorry, there's one. What's next problem? Once again, I don't know why that happens. So just a moment, I will come back to the okay. No, you should see that now. I made the correction. You can see that. Okay, fine. Thanks very much. So, characteristics of viral marketing. What does it mean? Viral marketing uses different methods to publish messages. There are 4 examples. It can be postcards. Yeah, you send a postcard. Yeah, for put a stamp on that, yeah, and then you send it. Yeah. I explain that to you because you're young. I'm quite sure that you don't send postcards. Me could be, but I lost the intention to do that. I prefer to send emails when I'm on vacation. I normally send some mails, or I'm answering by WhatsApp or something like that. Yeah, postcards, film clips. Yeah, could also be viral marketing, or simple articles in a forum or in a blog. The prepared methods for the internet are named as virals. Yeah, when you speak about these methods, you speak about virals. The success is with the measuring of minimum of financial input disproportionately high. Yes, it's like this. Yeah, if you would send many postcards, it will be much more expensive. So because you have to pay for the stamp, you have to pay for the paper, yeah, you have to pay for the printing. Yeah, all these things have to be paid. And here in Germany, the post offices or sending packages or postcards is expensive. It's really expensive. And what are companies doing? They go to the Netherlands, yeah, because the Netherlands post is much cheaper than the German one. So German people they put their advertising in their car. They drive to the Netherlands. They go to a post office and then send their advertising from there. Yeah, because it's half time cheaper than in Germany. Yeah, Germany is really expensive for that. So normally, if you do that by internet, it's much cheaper because you don't have this distribution costs. For sure, you have to pay for the server, you have to pay for your software, but if you do that several times, the price for one viral is near zero. Yeah, you don't pay so much for that. To measure the success of a viral marketing campaign, yes, there exist also technical possibilities, like a special monitoring software which is able to track links. An example: if you send emails, yeah, you should do that with a special email program. And this, if you send this email, there will be a small program that will be added to this email. And so if somebody is receiving this email, you can see, okay, somebody this person has received the email. But also you can also see when this email will be opened. Yeah, and then you know, oh, okay, this email is working. Yeah, it's okay. And you can see how long this person has possibly read this email. And when the person has closed the email, yeah, and when the person is open it again, you see it again, yeah. So all will be monitored. These email programs are normally used by people who make their business with junk emails. Yeah, do you know what that is? What a junk mail is? Can anybody explain what a junk mail is? Yeah. Yes, and what is it? Can you tell me what that is? What you understand? What a junk mail means? It must be not only Ray Chen who's answering. Yeah, also the others, Chen Su and Jiahu Liang. You also can answer. No, it's not the email in the trash. No. It's when we speak about that, when we speak about junk, yeah, so you can say it, yeah, so yeah, junk, yeah, I know what you mean. So junkyard, yes, for example, there's no, there you see there you find trash, yes, sure, but it's not like this. So it's an email that has been sent to you illegally, yeah. So it's yeah, how do I find it? Uh-oh. Um, no, we would speak about spam emails. Yeah, it's mailed advertisements. It's correct. Yeah, and it's a promotional material, but it's a spam email. And the problem here is that here in Germany it's not legal to do that. Yeah, so that's why the spam mails are sent from other countries to Germany, and you can say 90% of all emails in the world are spam emails. Do you know what a spam email is? I write it down. Spam email. Any idea what that is? Rubbish, yes. Yeah, useless. Yeah, you can say that, yes. So these are emails you don't want normally, yeah? So when you speak about that, it's it's an email that you don't want, and it's, you put it into the trash normally. Yes, that's correct. And there is there's so many emails like this, and I know that there is a business behind it. I don't know why. I think there are only a few percent of people who react on such emails. Yeah, but yeah, for other companies, it's also a business. Yes, some fraudulent email. Yes, could be. Yes, yeah. So could be that it's yeah against against rules. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, so that's why there are also existing companies, and they are offering they are offering software to reduce these junk emails. Yeah, so they put it in something that's like a trash. Yeah, you can check that out if you want. Yeah, sometimes I get official emails in this junk email account. Yeah, because the program has not worked correctly, and yeah, sometimes it's not recognized, and then you get it. Yeah. Yeah, and the problem is that you that you have to select what you are looking for, yeah, and you have to delete these emails. It's causing work, yeah, it's causing work. And when we speak in a economic way, we would speak about opportunity costs. Yeah, so it's something bad. Yeah. Yeah, you always received it. Yes, I think so. Yeah, everybody's have that problem. So to measure the success of a viral marketing campaign, there exist also technical possibilities of a special monitoring software. I told that to you, so you can see what the other person is doing, if he's opening this email or not, and then you can see if there's some interest. So and possibly you put a link into this email, and then you can also track this link, yeah, and you see what the people are doing, and then you get more transparency about their wishes. Yeah, and this is normally what's behind this when you speak about viral marketing. Yeah, so we have only 3 minutes to go. I think so. We started. When did we start? We started at 12:30, 13:30, 14:30. Oh, we have time, much time. We have also a few minutes. Okay, so let's make our break here for 5 minutes again. So we have here we have 2:52. So your time then is 8 o'clock in the evening, 52. We will continue our last session then, let's say in 8 minutes. Yeah, so we have then completed the hour. Yeah. Okay. So we see us in 8 minutes or possibly 7. Okay.